Hello, my name is Luke from Ryonet, and today I wanted to formally introduce you to the PolyPrint TexJet Echo2 Ryonet Edition DTG. PolyPrint actually got their start as a screen printing supplier and manufacturer in Europe back in the 70s. And in 2000, they decided to go all digital and started designing their own DTG units. They have thousands of these units in the field, mainly in Europe, and the Echo2 is the latest model to the line. And Ryonet is excited to offer this low-cost, high-quality solution. When talking to the printers, one of the most important things that I like to discuss is constantly evolving. As a business, and especially as a printer, you need to make sure that you're as future-proof as possible. Digital printing is one of those options that will help you become future-proof, and digital printing is always evolving. Having a low-cost printer like this one also is great for business because you're gonna have an opportunity to get that return on investment as fast as possible. Now, the Echo2 has some great features, and I'd like to talk to a couple of my favorites. The first one is low ink cost. Ink costs have always been one of the most important factors and should be one of the most important factors when looking at a direct-to-garment printer. But with DTG, it's commonly associated with extremely high ink cost. So one of the great things is that the ink in here is a high-performance ink, but it's also a very cost-effective ink as well. And because it's so efficient and high performance, we're actually saving so much ink. So the rip included with this thing is just phenomenal. It's an advanced rip from CADLink. And what's important to know about that rip is it's one of the key factors in getting extremely high quality prints, great color correction, and you're gonna be saving a lot of ink when you're using this printer. And the other great thing about this rip is that it's highly customizable to fit your shop's needs. Now, screen printed white has been something that all screen printers have been asking for from a DTG since the idea of DTG really came into play. And since that day, it's been really tough to actually get that pearly, jumping off the shirt white like you're used to getting from screen printing. Automatic height adjustment. The distance between your garment and the print head is one of the most important factors when it comes to getting really great prints that you want from your direct-to-garment printer. The Echo2 makes that simple and easy with its automatic height adjustment. No more levers or gears or anything like that we have to worry about. And when we're going from t-shirts to sweatshirts or thin materials to thick materials, changing it is simply the press of a button. Maintenance is one of the most important factors when it comes to looking at any direct-to-garment printer. And the Echo2 makes it really simple. Your daily and weekly maintenance is mainly going to consist of nozzle checks and head cleanings. So this is going to minimize downtime and save ink. You're going to be covered when it comes to this DTG because we have a 1-year printed warranty. And then we also have a 3-year limited parts warranty. And the cost to replace the print head is a fraction of the cost of most DTGs in the market. And when it comes to support, we have you covered. You're going to be getting Ryonet's world-class education and support that you've commonly seen when it comes to working with our manual and automatic equipment. So if you're thinking about diving into garment decorating, or maybe you're an existing screen printing shop who's wanting to get another edge and add digital to it, or if you're already printing with DTGs and looking to replace or upgrade, please give us a call, hit us up on chat, or reach out to us on social to learn more. At Ryonet, our sole goal is to give screen printers the opportunity to grow and succeed. And we have the equipment, we have the knowledge, and we have the education. In fact, we have the financing options available for you to do just that.